Hi guys, Sean from Plasticstarwars. Now recently I received my Haslab Razor Crest, and like many other backers, I'm super impressed with what Hasbro has delivered. While it's already a very impressive toy, I thought I could make it better by adding some lights and perhaps repainting it to make it look closer to the one we see on screen. So I thought I'd document the process, starting with this video on how I lit the two main engines. Now here are some of the tools that I've used. Basically just a flathead screwdriver, two metal rulers and a handsaw. For the light source, I've used two of these dollar store fairy lights. Now these are powered by coin batteries, so they are nice and compact. Now to access the engine lights, you'll have to pry open the entire rear engine cowling. Now this piece is glued on during the manufacturing process, so you'll have to use some force to break the bond, and naturally that means there's a chance that you might break something. So please bear that in mind. If you do decide to do this, you are taking a risk, and I can't be responsible should something go wrong. Now with that said, this series of photos will show you how I went about it. Basically I'm just using the flathead screwdriver as a wedge to force like a little opening, and once there's an opening I try to stick the metal rulers in so that it will not collapse back. Now with the rulers in place, I just continue working my way around the sides until the entire engine cowling comes off. Now with the hardest part done, all I did was just stuff the whole fairy lights unit into the engine itself. Now unfortunately, because of the volume taken up by the lights, I had to remove some plastic, and that's where the handsaw came in. And that's pretty much it. With the excess plastic removed, the rear engine piece can now be put back on. I'm happy that this piece stayed in place just by friction alone, which is great because then it makes changing of batteries a whole lot easier. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys have found it useful. If you do, please do like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos of my ongoing mods on this Haslab Razor Crest. Thank you all so much for watching.